Good morning, class 6. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 5, that is separation of substances. Separation of substances. In this video lecture, we will discuss about separation of mixture of two liquids. That liquids are immiscible liquids. Now here we have to understand these two words, that is miscible liquids and the next one is immiscible liquids. In the last chapter, that is chapter 4, we had discussed about this miscible and immiscible liquids. So miscible liquids are those liquids which are soluble in water. Those liquids which are soluble in water called immiscible liquids, like alcohol, which is soluble in water. And immiscible liquids are those liquids which are not soluble in water, like oil, kerosene oil, coconut oil. These oils create a separate layer that is on the upper surface of the water. So here today in this lecture we'll discuss that how will we separate these two liquids. So for this process we need a separating funnel or a equipment in which there is a knob by which we can open it or we can close it. So in this separating apparatus, first of all we have to put the mixture in this apparatus and then we have to leave it for some time. So during the rest period, the immiscible liquids form two layers. The heavy liquid come downside and the lighter liquid form a upper layer. Like suppose if it is a mixture of oil and water, then water forms the lower layer and the oil forms the upper layer. So after some time, when these layers are properly formed, then by opening the knob we take out the water from the vessel or from this apparatus, separating apparatus. So we have to take care very well that by opening the knob, when water falls down and collected in a vessel, then we have to take care that as the layer of water finish, we have to close the knob. By doing this, we are able to separate water from the oil. So this is the way by which we can separate two mixtures of immiscible liquids, that is liquids which is not dissolved properly in the water. There is one more process was there, that is decantation, in which we leave the mixture and the heavier part comes down and settle down and the upper part we can remove. So there we use that process for the separation of sand and water and salt solution, salt mixture. But here the two ingredient of the mixture is liquid, only liquid, and for this separation of liquids we are using separating funnel, and we just follow the process and gradually we are able to get the heavier liquid at the bottom layer and lighter liquid layer at the upper layer, and we are able to separate these liquids by the help of separating funnel. So in this lecture we have to understand immiscible and miscible liquids. So miscible liquids are those which are soluble in water, and immiscible liquids are those which are not soluble in water. They form a separate layer above the surface of water. So class, I hope you are able to understand that how we are able to separate, or how we separate these two layers of, or how we separate the mixture of two liquids. So class, see this video again and again. If any problem, ask me. I will help you class. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.